Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. I'm just going to take one of the Dollar Tree mason jars and one of their hanging lids that has like a cutout. This one's a star. It doesn't really matter. You're not going to be able to see it. And a Dollar Tree solar light. Again, I don't really like the black color. I don't think that looks coastal. So we're just going to paint it. I'm going to use that same Sand Dollar Rust-Oleum color spray paint that I've used on other solar lights, and I am going to spray just the top of the lid and the handle, that ivory color. You can always paint with acrylic if you don't have spray paint, but I kind of had it out. It was all set up. I might as well use it, and it works pretty good on metal. Now we can start preparing the jar. It's just a regular size mason jar. It's going to fit that lid that we got there. And then I'm going to combine it with some of the Fairy Garden beach items that I got this year. This is like the little beach lounge chair with the hat. And there's even like a little beach sign. I think there's going to be plenty of room in the mason jar for both of them. I don't want them to move around or anything once I get it together. So I just attach them with hot glue to the bottom of my jar, making sure the numbers and stuff like that is on the back of the jar, so that won't be the front. And just hot glue both of those in place on the bottom of the jar, just like that. And they have so many fun options. You could do like seahorses, sea turtles, sand castles. They have so many cute things. And then I'm going to fill in the beachy area with Dollar Tree sand, kind of shaking it around, making sure that I have enough to cover the bases, but not too much. I don't want to cover up those cute decorations. And then just clean up them with a dry paintbrush. We'll get the sand off of them. And then this is the white lid. I'm just going to put it on there and screw this into place. It was a little tricky getting it started, but it definitely fit on there just fine. And now we can add the solar light. It can shine through that cutout on the top of the hanger. So the hanger is going to allow me to hang this up. And then the cutout is going to allow the light to shine through. I just do hot glue in between each one of the rays of the star and sit my solar light right there on top. The solar light is the silver. I could have painted it, but I'm actually just going to cover that with burlap too. So I'm just going to cut another piece of burlap ribbon down to size. I do cut off the edges on these because I like it to look all frayed. And since I'm cutting it skinnier than it normally is. And I was trying to start that one. Did not want to start. I'm just going to have to cut it. And I just cut a strip that's going to be wide enough to cover that again. And I think that's going to look good. It's going to make it less of a contrast between the silver and the ivory lid, kind of make it look more intentional. And I just attach that by hot gluing it to the back and overlapping it. Super easy solar light DIY. You can hang this from a hook. You can hang this from a tree. You could sit it around on a table or on the ground. It's going to look cute. It has so many different uses, very versatile. And a great use for those little mason jar lids from the Dollar Tree. And anytime I can use some of those little fairy garden beach items, I am definitely going to. I think they're so cute. The little sign says beach welcome. It's got the little beach chair with the hat. And this is what it looks like lit up at night. It was super bright. With that star cut out, plenty of room to shine the light through. And the burlap definitely disguises that silver finish. It really looks way more intentional. It makes the jar look a little bit taller as well.